Welcome, amazing learners. If you have a look here, you will see that we have a website, Happy Faces Academy. When you click on the link in the description box below, you will see that it says www.sites.google.com/view/Happy Faces Academy. Now the home page, you will see the emblem there. And then when you scroll down, you will see more information. Welcome message, our mission statement, and then here's the important part. Join our mailing list. That way, when we start sending out emails on a monthly or a quarterly basis, you can keep up to date with everything that is happening. Then we have a little bit more information here. Micro-credentials. A link to the other pages are at the bottom too. So here is an important page, displays and downloads. So every time I create something for students or specifically for educators and parents, I will link the download here so that you can just click to get your copy. I'm working hard to see if I can get some more educators on board so that we can have a wide range of learning resources for children that are in grades 1, 2, and 3. We're focusing on the lower primary at this stage. That way we can have a collection of material that is centrally located 24/7 here on the internet, free of cost for our children, especially our Jamaican children who might not have the money to pay for premium services that are being offered all over the place now. This is a website that will help point you in the right direction when it comes to certain learning resources. And I will also provide some, and I'll get my colleagues to provide some too. So here we have a download for children, an activity book where they can color, complete puzzles, write their own story, design different things. Then we have another page on the website. This is the frequently asked questions, FAQ. So anything that you're wondering, please visit this page first to see if we have already answered your question before you email your questions to us. All right. Then here's another page. Here's our gallery, or should I say galleries, where we will feature star students. Once students start submitting work, comments. For example, if a parent or a child or a colleague has something positive to say about the website and the services that we're offering to our community, then we will post it here and everybody will be able to see. Then here we have some learning challenges. These learning challenges, some of them will be from Kahoot and some will be from quizzes. All right, I will do a tutorial on those for those who don't know about them, but these platforms, these software have been around for a while. They're quite fun. My students personally, they love Kahoot. The quizzes, they are not as familiar with it yet, but I'm going to do a tutorial for them. Here we have a multiplication challenge for the lower primary children. You can do that. I'm going to get some challenges every now and again for upper primary or the adults who want to join in on the fun. Now, here is a very important section of the page, reading challenges. So far, I have 4 reading challenges up and running. You can participate in any one of them. Now, this one, reading challenge 1, is for the child to read a certain number of stories within like a week or 2. All right, the stories are all linked right here on the site. Then we have a page that is just for grades 1, 2, and 3. This is where I'll put all the stories that I'm linking to, the playlist. I'll also have lessons for them that will help them with their information literacy so that they can truly become critical thinkers who can collaborate, work creatively, become information producers, all of those good stuff that we want for our children. So there will be lessons about all of that here. I'm working on that right now. I have some fellow professionals who are willing to contribute little lessons and tutorials. We are going to establish all of that, hopefully, by the summer so that you guys can really benefit from it. Then we have another page here for grades 4, 5, and 6. As you can see, nothing much is on that page yet, but there is more to come. The only way you will know is if you check back on the site regularly or you join our mailing list so that you can be notified every time we do an update. Then we have a page here, co-curricular activities. Now we all know that children need to be well-rounded. It can't be all academics all the time. So here we have information about our birthday club, Club 52, which is really a book club, and our spelling club. Then we have this wonderful page that took ages to put together, but I love this page because when parents ask about certain things, I can just send them directly to this page because it will list out all the different web tools and websites that I recommend, I have used in some capacity, whether officially in my job or otherwise when I'm tutoring children, or for my own professional development. I know about these different websites. We have math manipulatives, toy theater there. We have the link to the GIS website, to the ministry website. So much. There's just so much for me to list out in this video. So you can explore this more. And then the last page now is for admin and staff. So if by chance I have a fellow teacher, educator, a principal, vice principal that is viewing this video, these are messages basically for you guys. All right. And that's it. That's Happy Faces Academy. That's the website. There is so much that I will be linking to, creating, so much that I'll be collaborating with my fellow professionals about so that I can benefit you guys and you can really maximize your learning. Now, I got a few private messages about the micro-credentials. Yes, there will be tutorials coming up soon. They are fairly simple, but I can walk you through the process so that it can be a quick, easy, efficient process so that you can have your digital badge to put in your portfolio or to print out and have in your physical binder, whatever it is that you want to do with it and expand your knowledge base. All right, so I hope that you enjoyed this. If you are receiving some value from the content that I'm providing, please like, subscribe. You know all the good things when it comes to YouTube. All right, encouragement sweetens labor. Take care and I will see you all in the next video.